In the article about Indian Railway, we can see that there are large differences in environment and facilities between classes. Among them, the unreserved general class is the harshest condition in which most seats are simply wooden benches. Why is there a large discrepancy between classes and so terrible situation for the unreserved class? Actually, the problem in the Indian Railway classes refers to a price discrimination. Consider there are two kinds of customers, the rich and the poor. The rich are willing to pay more for the same good than the poor, which means they have higher reservation value and marginal utility. Then we can write the utility function of u equals theta times square root q times 1 over square root t, in which q means quality in this case, sometimes quantity, t means the money consumed for the good, and theta means the marginal utility. As a monopoly, Indian Railway aims to maximize its profit pi equals t minus c in terms of q, and make sure the utility is equal to or greater than 0. And for the two groups of consumers, the rich have a marginal utility theta r, and the poor have a marginal utility of theta p. Theta r is greater than theta p, which means the rich have a steeper indifference curve than the poor. In this case, we can draw a graph as follows, which shows the budget line and indifference curve of two kinds of customers. Okay, now let's assume TR star, QR star as the best choice of the rich, and TP star, QP star as the best choice of the poor. When QR star is greater than QP star by only a little bit, the rich obviously have motives to disguise their high price expectations and pretend to be the poor, because in this situation theta r times square root of QP star times 1 over square root of TP star is greater than theta r times square root of QR star times 1 over square root of TR star. However, for Indian Railway, the loss of a rich pretending to be a poor is unbearable because the revenue lessened by TR star minus TP star, which is much larger than the saved cost when lowering the quality. As a result, the railway company simply lowered the quality of unreserved class to a significantly higher degree by changing the soft cushions to hard stools and removing the compartment door or roof, which are unbearable for the rich. It really works. This changes the utility of the rich and makes theta r times the square root of qp star times 1 over the square root of tp star greater than theta r times the square root of qr star times 1 over the square root of tp star. At this time, the rich will have no motive to choose the package for poor. The lowering quality will of course reduce the profits from the poor because at this time QR equals to QR star, QP is smaller than QP star, which is not the best choice for the poor. But this might efficiently prevent the rich to choose the inferior bundle, which will cause a much larger loss.